know there was some things that you've shared with us in the past on why you selected us out of the many other companies that are available out there. What kind of drew you to the way we do business and what we did to have you sign the contract, basically?
So, that's a great question, and it's by no means a short answer, right? I would say that, the moment we first met, I would say that you guys earned the trust long before we actually went operational, right? I think, you know, it's been something that I would say, the biggest operational problem we've encountered has been our technology, right? And it wasn't something that was, partial. It wasn't something that was temporary. It was like the internal structure as a whole is something that you identified within probably 20 minutes. I think that, as we were talking, it almost seemed like you were sidekick, but then, apparently a lot of the stuff was already in your materials and you pretty much rolled into it as though you had a thumb on our pulse before we even met, right?